Well, hello everybody and welcome back. I'm just going to be doing a quick video here on sizing some bullets. I've got some Lee 170 grain flat point 309 bullets, and I got the gas checks installed. I'm using Hornady gas checks, and yeah, I'm just going to show you how I lube them. So I got my die in here for, it's the decapping resizing die for 30-30, and that's what these bullets are for. Now, if you're going to be reloading for a rifle, you're going to need to get a lube and size kit, but fret not, because it is inexpensive. So I took out the sizing and decapping die, and I also took out the shell holder because we aren't going to need that. So I'm going to get the lube and size kit. Now this comes with a center punch, or a top punch I think it's called, and you just put that right into the press and it locks in there. And then of course you get your die. It's 309 sizing die. Stick it in there. Get it tightened down. That should be good. Place that on top. Catch your bullets. Super simple. So obviously the next thing you're going to do is size your bullets, and it's very important that you have them lubed before you do this. And your sizing kit will come with some Lee liquid A-locks, and this is very easy to do. I've done 4 already. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this sizes the gas check and crimps it on there. So that's all there really is to it. I'm going to do all these bullets and get back to you guys, so see you in a bit. Alright, so I'm down to my last couple bullets, and once you get kind of a pace going, you really crank them out. It's important though to look at the base of the bullet, each bullet you size, and see at the gas check and crimp it on that you actually have a gas check, because I found bullets afterward, after doing all the sizing, that didn't have a gas check on them, so that means it slipped off. But anyway, got like 4 left. The main thing that slows you down is not being able to grab the bullet if it's at a funny angle. Now that you're done, take something. Oh, dropped one. Unscrew the die. Being kind of quiet because my family's home. Push the rest out. I'm just using a screw, nothing in the die. And there we go. We got a whole bunch of sized bullets, and we're just going to put another coat of Lee liquid A-locks on them. So this is how it's done, how you size your bullets with the Lee sizing die. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.